Here's my Toastmaster Single Burner element, and it is 1500 watts. It has adjustable heat control, high, medium, low, off. Right now I have this element. I had some water boiling here. This is the element. I've had this for about 10 years. Use it for camping. I use it to put large pots on that I don't want to put on my glass elements here. Most likely what I do use on this one is a cast iron pan, or I do some canning and I have this large canner, and I do not like to have that on my glass elements or in the house, so I do it in the garage on this little burner and it works just fine. The plug is a 3-prong plug, and this actually started boiling my water faster than my glass element, so go figure. I highly recommend this. It is very useful to have when you want to cook something maybe smelly and you don't want to do it in the house. Maybe like if you want to fry some fish or anything like that, you can do this. Plug it in out in your garage, open the door, get your stuff going, and I highly recommend it.